In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, tap on System and Updates. Then Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Following that, after accessing text correction, use gray switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!